Hello and welcome to Green Tech Sumit. In this video, we're going to see the LFP, the lithium ion phosphate cells. Here I have some cells that actually we don't need a spot welder or nickel strips or even a solder. We just have to pick the cells and we just have to screw them. So now I have 2S battery ready. Now I pick one more cell and I just screw, and I have 3S battery ready. And I take one more cell and I screw it, and right now I have a 12-volt battery ready. So we can use it for UPS, computer UPS, or any low power 12-volt supplies. So let me check the voltage right now, and this is the voltage of one single cell, 3.2 and 3.2. So this is for 2 cells, this is for 3S cells, and here we have our 12-volt battery ready. So if we want to insert a BMS, again we don't need a solder or a spot welder. We just have to unscrew this and put the wire or the terminal in here. And again, these are actually the copper bolt nuts, so copper screws and copper bolts. You just have to put the BMS balance wire or the terminal in here, and we just have to screw this up again nice and tight so the wire sits there on a tight manner. So then if we want, we can cover these up with a sleeve or a tape, and the battery is complete. That's it.